星が見える。Let's go!
Chop up some octopus head into tiny bitties, off to the side, crack and whisk up an Eggo in a bowl, and then measure out a bunch of takoyaki mix. And then about 300 ml of water. Give everybody a good mixity mix, and off to the flame 1 tablespoon of oil and a big old ladleful or 2 of your mix. Shove in all of your takoyaki mix, and then sprinkle in octopus, tempura bitties and spring onions, and red pickled ginger. And then on a low heat, just leave everybody to cook off and firm up that bottom. Think about this as just making a good old fried egg, so keep it on that low heat. And then when you think it's ready, give it a good old flip. And hopefully if you've done it right, you've got a nice firm bottom. Leave it again to cook all the way through and flip it back over to check. Looking nice. Continue to flip occasionally, and then once you think it's done, you can take it out. Get a nice brown bottom. Now that onesie is done, you can plate them up. So onto some awaiting glad wrap. Place your little pancake. It's still pretty warm at this stage, so protect your fingers. And then roll them up into a tight little cylinder. Squeeze them with a paper towel and doo-doo, you've got a nice little bit of roll cake going on. Alright, let's quickly pop him onto a plate and then drizzle him with first Okonomiyaki sauce. And then next we're going to grab all the mayonnaise and squeeze that on the other way. Lovely. And now that we've got these two on, sprinkle on some Bonito Flakes. And then some Nori as well. And there you have it. Rolled up Takoyaki. Alrighty, let's give him a taste test. You don't have to cut him open like this, but look at that cross section, ladies. So 2 tips for you today. 1, make sure that you roll him up while he's warm. And 2, do make sure that you make him quite thin. That makes him a lot easier to roll up for you. Just around about 1 centimeter should do the trick. If you like what we do here, we do this practically every day. So like, subscribe, maybe leave a comment down below, and we'll see you tomorrow.